Friends, hi all. Today I will show you an interesting way how to make an inner dense cup for a corset. It holds its shape perfectly and can be used instead of a foam cup. So, let's say we have a pattern for the parts of a fabric cup. On these parts we completely remove all allowances. My patterns always indicate in detail where and how much is added to the allowances. Mark the allowances and transfer the new pattern onto paper. Don't forget to put marks. The pattern of the inner cup is ready. Take felt, mine is quite thin, so I need 2 of these layers. I glue them together. I glue them together with an adhesive web. And I glue them on top with a loose soft doublerin. I quilt the workpiece. I lay lines at a distance of 2 to 3 millimeters. Iron it. I lay out the details of the cup. Trace with a simple pencil. Don't forget to put all the marks. Turn the pattern over and cut the second cup in a mirror. Cut out the details. Ready. Set up a zigzag stitch on a sewing machine with a width of 6 millimeters and a stitch length of 1.5 millimeters. Sew end to end the lower parts of the cup. Then sew the upper part to them. Ready. The cups must be ironed on a round block, giving them a beautiful convex rounded shape. With these movements we form a cup. Cups are ready. With a small margin, we cut off the glue web and secure it to the cups using needles. Lay a stitch along all cuts at a distance of 2 to 3 millimeters from the edge. Cut off the excess. Corset towards us, turn the wrong side of the cup on which the glue web is attached. Should be turned to the wrong side. Fasten use needles. To stitch the top cut at a distance of 3 millimeters, done. Now we will glue the inside of the cup with the reverse side. On the block, straighten the cup. And using an iron, glue the dense cup and lining together. And as a result, we get cups like these that have a dense shape and a beautiful appearance. I wish you easy cutting and sewing. Yulia Chumakova was with you.